Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed Beehive, chapter number 2, part 2nd. Now I am going to discuss last 6 paragraph of the chapter. Yesterday we discussed paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have discussed about the famous Sahnai player Bismillah Khan. It is also written on the blackboard, the Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. This is the second part of chapter 2nd. In this chapter, when Aurangzeb he was emperor and how he banned the Pungi, because why he banned completely Pungi, because its voice was not pleasant, its voice was unpleasant, there is no melodious music, so he completely banned it. And I want to tell you about the life of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was born on March 21, 1916 in a medium musician family. We have discussed about the chapter that how Bismillah Khan started his career as a Sahnai player. Students, we have discussed 4 and 5 paragraph. March on 21, 1916, Bismillah Khan belongs to a well-known family. I told you that Bismillah Khan he was born on March 21, 1916 and he belongs to a medium family. And when he became at the age of 13 years, you can say at the age of 14, Bismillah Khan accompanied with his uncle Allahabad music competition, and he went there, and Ustad Fayaz Khan patted the young boy and said, "No, this boy has a talent, work hard and you shall make it." So students, we can say that this is the strong will and interest of Bismillah Khan, and slowly he became famous Sahnai player. When India gained independence on August 1947, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the national youth with Sahnai player. Students, in this paragraph, I want to tell you, when our country got freedom, when our country got freedom 1947, Bismillah Khan was the first Indian, and he introduced Mahatma Gandhi and our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he went near the Red Fort, and this is the memorable speech, this is the memorable scene given by the Bismillah Khan. Students, I want to tell you about Bismillah Khan's how did he perform when he came and when he started, because his father, grandfather, maternal uncles, मतलब उनके दादा, उनके parents, उनके मामा, सब एक प्रकार से आप कह सकते हो कि they have a good knowledge of Sahnai player. They have how did they suffer, how did they learn music. And when he went to his maternal uncle, and his maternal uncle was in Allahabad, when he was addressing a conference, there were many guests. They said that no, Bismillah Khan has a quality. And I want to tell you, in this paragraph, awards, the recognition came to thick, and Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be the invited performer prestigious. Students, I want to tell you, first of all, when Bismillah Khan became very famous, once he was invited in USA, and USA governments said that I want to play a music school in USA, but Bismillah Khan refused it. Bismillah Khan said that no, I have a great love in the culture, in the living place of Varanasi and the Ganga river, so I cannot leave Varanasi. National awards like the Padam Shri, the Padam Bhushan, the Padam Vibhushan, and were conferred him. Students, I want to tell you about what kind of awards Bismillah Khan got. Bismillah Khan got, when he became famous, he got the Padam Shri, the Padam Bhushan, the Padam Vibhushan, and he got the finest, he got the highest civilian award, you can say, in 2011, and he became very famous. In 2001, he got the highest civilian award as a Bharat Ratna, and this was the highest civilian award for literature, arts and music eras. And all that he said that, students, if you like music, there is the Hindustani's richest tradition, means he was very impressed with the culture of Varanasi, and he first of all lived in Varanasi, and he learned culture and the valuable suggestions of the Ganga river. So anyhow, he did not want to leave the Varanasi. In the spite of having travelled all over the world, Khansawa is fondly called is incidentally at the pond of Banaras and Dumrao at they remain for him the most wonderful. Students, they went many countries, USA, Afghanistan, but he likes Varanasi very much. Once upon a time, he went to Maharashtra, and the people of Maharashtra said that, Ki Bismillah Khan, you are a good musician and you should live there. I will play a open good school for you. He said that, no, I cannot leave Varanasi because the culture of Varanasi, I have very impressed with the culture, living place and the good things related to the Ganga river. So I cannot leave the Varanasi. Students, I want to tell you, in Varanasi he said that I miss Varanasi very much, I miss Ganga river very much, I miss Kashi Vishwanath temple very much. So these are the features, these are the main qualities about the Bismillah Khan, that he would never leave the Varanasi. Now I am going to concluding the last paragraph. When partition happened, and did not you leave your family and think of moving to Pakistan? Once a writer said that Bismillah Khan, when India and Pakistan divided, he said that you should go Pakistan. He said that yes, also I also belong to Pakistan. Once he went to Pakistan, but when he entered in the border of Pakistan, he said to the people of Pakistan, Pakistanis Namaskar, and he said to the people of India, Ki Walaikum Salam. It means this is the culture of Bismillah Khan, and he said that after that I never went to Pakistan. And Ustad Bismillah Khan's life is perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India, one that effortlessly aspects there is about due to Muslim like him and very naturally play the Sanai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Students, in the last paragraph, I want to tell you how Bismillah Khan's life is the perfect example of Indian culture and how he is deeply impressed in the rich cultural heritage of India, and he accepts he was a duty Muslims. After that, he started every morning at the Sanai prayer at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. It means, students, we can say that this is the perfect, rich and cultural heritage of India, and that we can say what kind of person of Bismillah Khan, and he never leave Varanasi. This is the complete summary of the chapter number 2. I hope this chapter is very clear. That's all.